Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have this wish, I wish tonight. Once upon a time, a wishing star fell from the sky, scorching a great woods black. The dark forest was born. The wishing star hidden at its center, filling it with new life. And the legend of a single wish locked away in the star, waiting to be granted.
Welcome to my fiesta! Make yourselves at home, yeah! Come on, eat, drink up! Hey, hola amigo, good to see you again.
Papa! He stepped on my face!
And we will never wash it again.
People of Córdoba!
It's Del Mar!
People of Del Mar! Accept this golden gift from Puss in Boots!
Play a song!
No, I couldn't.
Sing, Puss, sing!
Nah, I couldn't possibly. Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who's brave and ready for trouble? Who's so unbelievably humble? Who is your favorite